Cruz, and I am here to present to you the sustainable practice of Yellow Cab Pizza Company. Yellow Cab was initially inspired by the New York concept and the branching athletic strategies, the passion and energy of the cosmopolitan icon. The sustainable practice that they are currently implementing is no to plastic expiry and using materials that are made of papers instead. So as you can see, they are using paper bags for the packaging of the foods that are bought for takeouts and also for the plates and boxes that are made of papers which are disposable. By using papers, I reduce waste disposal that can harm the global warming. In order for us to be able to help our preserving on our environment, why don't we start using paper materials instead of plastics? Not only we can save money, but also we can help on promoting a change to the betterment of our environment. Thank you.